In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Stockx 2025, step by step. If you received something damaged, got the wrong item, or have an authentication concern, Stockx handles these through a support request tied to your order. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share quick tips to help your request get processed smoothly. First, head to stockx.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the same account you use to place the order, so everything lines up correctly in their system. If you have more than one account, double check you're in the right one before moving on. Next, go to your order history. Click Profile, then select Buying. From there, open the specific order you want to request a refund for. Take a moment to review the order details, including the product name, size, and purchase date. It helps to have the order number handy since you'll need it in the form later. If you still have the packaging, keep it nearby. You might need photos of labels or the box condition. On the order page, look for Get Help or Contact Support. Click that to start your request. You'll be asked to choose the issue type. Pick the option that best matches your situation: damaged item, wrong item, or an authentication issue. Then fill out the form. Include your order number and a clear, concise description of what happened. Be specific. Describe defects, mismatches in size or color, or any authentication concern you noticed. Upload clear photos to support your claim. Good photos can speed things up. Use natural light. Include wide shots and close-ups. Show any damage from multiple angles, and, if relevant, include the box label and any tags. Keep the item and packaging in the same condition you received them until support tells you what to do next. Before you send it off, review everything carefully. Confirm your order number is correct, the description is accurate, and the photos clearly show the issue. When it looks good, click Submit. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Stockx typically responds within 24 to 72 hours. During that time, keep an eye on your email in case they ask for additional details. If they approve the claim, they'll guide you through the next steps, which may include return instructions or a prepaid label. Stay responsive and keep all communication within the support thread so everything is documented. That's it. Go to stockx.com and log in. Open the order in your profile under Buying, contact support from that order, provide details and photos, then submit and watch for the confirmation and follow up. Thanks for watching and good luck with your request.